Today, as we connect with the consciousness of Mother Earth, we will partner with Gaia. We will link up by using our intention for the greater good of all, for accomplishing planetary healing and global peace. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now everyone close your eyes and take a long, slow, deep breath all the way in and all the way out. Welcome to this very powerful weekly planetary healing and global peace meditation from Mission Ascension. We inhabit a living conscious universe. Our beautiful, amazing planet Gaia is also a living, breathing being with her own consciousness. The Earth is alive. Her purpose for existence is to create an optimal biosphere for an array of various life forms to exist, advance, and evolve. And because the planet has her own consciousness, she also has her own evolution process to accomplish. Her mission is to shed 3D and shift physically into a state of 5th density. Now take another nice, long, deep breath. All the way in and all the way out. Use your imagination to find yourself outdoors, looking up into a beautiful, clear blue sky. It's very peaceful, quiet, and tranquil. There's a slight breeze, and the air is very clean. It smells fresh and healthy. Your attention is drawn 360 feet up into the air to a curiously shaped cloud. As we zoom in, we can see inside this cloud is a portal that syncs up to the divine light. Simply by discovering this hidden portal, this cloud connection, the crown of our heads are suddenly encased in super luminous light. This bright golden ascension light appears as a faint, glowing, misty vapor. This luminous fluorescent vapor cascades down the back of our necks and down our spines, inducing gentle, soothing tingles and transformational tactile sensations. Each of you can feel subtle pulses of healing energy oscillating in and out of your body. You allow this bright white vapor to flow and tingle within, through, and all around you. 360 degrees, creating a comforting and soothing bubble. Take a relaxing breath. Breathe in light, breathe out light. Now we expand this misty golden glow, making it bigger and brighter. It's growing and expanding until the entire building that you are in is also encased by the brilliant divine light. Keep enlarging the orb until it reaches your entire city. Then your entire state. And keep it going until your entire country is enveloped. We amplify this bright glow even further until the entire planet is encircled and contained within this magnificent atmosphere of bright golden glowing vapor. This luminous vapor is scanning, clearing, and decalcifying the crystalline planet's core. The molten center of Earth is being nourished, and the subterranean crust is being refortified. Pathogens are being detected and removed from the soils, from the seafloors, and from the bottoms of the oceans. All land, forest, mountains, and deserts, and all bodies of water, oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and streams are also being cleansed and detoxified. Every tree, flower, plant, fish, bird, animal, and all vegetables and minerals are being purified and recalibrated for this incredible planetary shift that is now occurring. Chemtrails, pollution, impurities, and all man-made toxins are being eliminated from the airspace. The adverse effects of 5G, microwaves, radiation, EMFs, and global warming are also being neutralized and purified. Take a relaxing breath. Breathe in peace. Breathe out peace. As we continue to surround the planet 360 degrees with bright ascension light of the highest vibration. We are now healing the Earth's electromagnetic energy field and outer atmosphere. We radiate more peace and pure love to the planet and to the entire universe. We now fully embody this glowing, misty, super luminous light. We are functioning as a receiver and transmitter of the Great Awakening. We are naturally activating every person on the planet so they may also receive this very powerful healing and transformational energy. Thank you for your divine work on this planet. Thank you for being here today. Because just by being here today and receiving this transmission, you've made a huge impact on the healing and evolution of our beautiful, amazing planet. Mother Gaia thanks you. She knows your name. She appreciates you very much. She loves you, and she will bless you back tenfold for your participation in this planetary healing and global peace meditation. She is honored and blessed to be your mother. As you bring your awareness back, you notice your body feels lighter and your aura is much bigger and much brighter. As you open your eyes, you feel alert, refreshed, and rejuvenated. Please meet us next week at the same time and place for this very powerful group planetary healing and global peace meditation. Thank you for joining us. Victory of the light.